Hi everyone, it's Phil, Senior Valuer at Ellis Estate Agents. 2024 has been a year of change and progression in the housing market, adjusting to the step change in mortgage rates over the last 2 years. However, according to Zoopla, sales activity has run at the highest level since the 2020 boom, showing increasing health in the UK housing market. So now is an ideal time to inquire about listing your property for sale with us. As 2024 is coming to a close, we're looking forward to our New Year's launch. After many proven successful years, the New Year launch is designed to maximise attention to the homes that we're selling. Whilst other agents take a different approach, here at Ellis Winters, we believe that there are many benefits to providing a New Year launch. In the new year, prospective buyers are highly motivated, having planned their move over the festive break, compared to the casual browsing which occurs on Boxing Day. Support is there with all of the team rested and back, ready to respond to inquiries and conduct viewings. We'll give your property the time it deserves. The promotion of your property will be targeted to buyers, including through our social media channels, videos and property portals. We also have the Property Premier Group, consisting of over 2,000 motivated buyers. In January 2024, Ellis Winters sold 37 properties, which was a quarter of all sales across the area with the help of the New Year launch. If you'd like to get involved, join the Ellis Winters New Year launch by contacting your local branch and speaking with our experienced team. Merry Christmas and thanks for watching.